Hey, this is Dr. Jason Tirado, your West New York Chiropractor, and I'm here with Tahiri, and she's been a patient of ours for a real long time, and we're going to be missing her because she's going away to school. But it's in Hawaii, so we're all a little jelly around the office today. And for those of you that don't know her or haven't seen her or have not been following her career, she's an incredible, incredible dancer, national competition winning, award winning. She's a superstar, basically. But stardom comes with injuries. So we're going to get her tuned up today and get her adjusted. First, we're going to start here and just relax your legs a little bit. And I'm going to stretch out that lower back a little bit. All right, good. How are your hips been feeling? Pretty good? Yeah? Good. So you're all packed and ready to go?
Somewhat.
Somewhat? Not completely?
No.
I'll just let this drop down on the side here. Just a bit. I'm just going to adjust your hips first. Bring this up. You see, I had a real big guy on this table prior. Just relax it just a little bit. More. So no more competitions.
Nope.
At least not here. Next competition would be in Hawaii.
Maybe Cali.
Cali?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's right. That's right. That could be the next competition. Right. Adjust that left SI joint. Okay, and adjust that right SI joint. Right side there. All right. And relax. One more time. Have you ever done any competitions out in California?
Nope.
Adjust the sacrum. A little back. Not at all, really?
Nope.
Relax here. Table a little bit. And when you breathe in really deep, pull the way out. A little more. Good. Perfect. One more time. In real deep. Pull the way out. Let it go. Perfect. Even better. That's what I wanted. There we go. There we go. Nice. Just relax your leg just a little bit. Okay, just gonna bring it up like that. And see if we can just get this joint to release a little bit. Just like that. A little more. Good. One more time. Good. Let's do that to the other side also. Okay. Just gonna relax here. And relax. Again. Relax. Good. One more time. Good. All right.
Yeah.
That was nuts. That was crazy. Slide down. Did your sister perform?
Yeah.
Yeah, she did. I didn't see her perform. I didn't see her. She was in the back? Way back. Relax. Do just a bit. One more. Do just a bit. One more. Do just a bit. One more. And relax here. Just gonna bring it forward. Great. Come right in your back. Lay face up. Let's see if we can adjust that hip a little bit deeper. And just relax. It's just a bit. Just stretch it out the side there. Good. How's your toe been feeling?
Oh, I forgot about that.
Beautiful. That means it's perfect. That means it's perfect. That's nice. It already popped. Oh my goodness. Okay. All right. Let's go this side. Good. Just relax. Good. Let's come here. And right inside here. And just relax a bit. A little bit more. Let it go. Good. Slide back up. Let's see the shoulder for a second. Relax your hands right here. Good. And then slide down just a bit. Good. This is going to drop just a little bit. A little bit. There we go. A little tender in there. Good. There we go. Good. Relax here. Ooh.
It hurts.
Yes, I know. Good. When you have somebody in school, like a mentor? No?
Like school or the studio?
College.
Oh, no.
No? You don't have like a mentor? I thought they usually give you like mentors or something like that. No? I thought that was part of the program. We're going to check your flexibility. All right. So just relax a little bit. How's your flexibility? Pretty good? Yes, yes or no?
Yes,
It's the car field.
oh yeah, I did. Yeah. I didn't even stretch before.
Too bad. Good. Let's hit the other side. It's nice and easy.
Actually, I did.
Ooh, this is tighter.
Yeah, that was in my bad side.
That's a little tighter inside there. Point your toe to your chin. The other way. That
Oh,
way. Yeah, just like
flex.
that. Yeah, good. Go back here. Here we go. We'll black it out, but we're just gonna keep one eye. Here we go.
And she's so pretty.
Yeah. Okay, we do the other side.
No,
You had to give it in?
I stole
What? Don't say that. This is being videoed. How dare you?
it. I took the shorts, but not the shirt.
What about the warm-ups?
I have to take that back.
Goodness. That's not good. That's not good. I've got a feeling you're going to go to Hawaii and you're going to come back. Right? Right? Even darker.
Hopefully.
Right? Absolutely. We're not going to recognize you.
I'll be
You know?
so tough.
You will. You will. You're going to come back speaking Hawaiian. Right? Yeah. Here we go. All right, stretch forward a little bit. Right, stretch it out. Here we go. Excellent. Good. Now let's pop up for a second. One more small little adjustment. Happy with this. You can adjust it right side here. All right. So I want you to bring your hands to the side, shoulders up, all the way back, hands back like that, like a cross. Good. Okay. I'm gonna feel that. Right inside there. So I want you to look straight up.
Scared.
Tuck your chin in a little bit, and I'm just going to tap you here. Just like that. And I'm going to do the other side. There we go. There we go. That's it. All right, look straight ahead without the crazy look. Take a big deep breath in, relax your hands. And there we go. A little bit straight. All right. So this is Dr. Jason Tirado, U.S. New York Chiropractor, sweating a little bit. Here, you want to tell them anything? Say goodbye to the people out there? Well, what do you tell those people that are afraid to go to a chiropractor?
Oh, it's not that bad.
Not that bad. That's it? You're supposed to say it's great.
It is.
It is great. There we go. Well, thanks a lot. Talk to you soon.